Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Brothers DCP 9017CDW printer or download and install drivers. So first of all, open your browser and then search here your printer. Now click on your official website and here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Now here you can download your printer driver. After download it, then open your downloaded files and install your printer driver. Now here you can see it will be installed. Now go back and open settings and click on printer drivers. Now click on add printer and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add your printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.